Kal-Polymers, well, formerly known as Cal Trading, is a family business. It was started by my father and mother together approximately 28 years actually now, years ago. It started in our basement with my dad and a phone book. We were able to grow to the facility here in Mississauga. We have about 250,000 square feet of land that we're utilizing currently, so it's a fairly large operation. Our primary focus then became, how do we take material that's being landfilled, that's hurting the environment, that is a waste product for companies, to something that is reusable in multiple industries or for specific industries. As a raw material supplier, our customers are relying on us to provide materials in a timely manner, as they require the same thing. They need to satisfy their customers. So as a result of that, if we have issues with whether it's our production capacity, it could be raw material in feed, power draw, then it can significantly impact our, first off, profitability, which is obviously very important for any company. And then on the second side, it can affect our relationship with our customers as they're planning their production based off of our materials. So pretty much prior to working with Renteknik, we did not have any data reports or data alerts. We didn't know how we were running from an electrical basis. At any minute, we would have to wait monthly for our electrical reports. But since then, we've been able to understand how much money we're losing from compressed air from our leaks, as well as redesigning our system based off of the information that was provided. Working with Renteknik and Darren was the global adjustment costs, and understanding how that impacts the overall business. Information is only as good as what you do with it. And it all depends on the people who you're working with to help educate you to make the best decisions. And I feel as if I have a good team for that. The dollar value saving I'm going to have in my next year bill is going to be pretty great. I'm not going to complain by any means. Even $1 is a saving. But on top of that, our greenhouse gas emissions is being reduced, our ecological imprint is being reduced, and it's really helping us grow in profitability as well as from a sustainability standpoint.